Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create a Facebook ad account for beginners. Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel and let's get into it. You've been meaning to create a Facebook ad account for a while now and you don't know how to go about it. Your first step would be to simply log on to Facebook, make sure you're signed in, and then in a new tab simply search up adsmanager.facebook.com, and then you should be able to be sent over to Meta Ads Manager. So on the Meta Ads Manager, all you need to do here is simply locate the all tools. It's on the left, so click on all tools here. Just go ahead and click on it, and then once you've clicked on it, just head over to where we have business settings. So click on business settings, and once the business settings menu opens up, that's on Meta. Once it opens up, all you need to do is quite simple. Just head over to where we have underneath accounts, head over to where we have ad accounts. And on the ad accounts menu, just go ahead and click on the ad. But before you click on the ad, I do have to mention that you might need to create a business portfolio or a portfolio of sorts. As you can see at the top of this screen here, we have Zotech business portfolio. So you're going to need to actually own a business portfolio so that it can be linked to that portfolio. But I'm just here to show you how to create a business ad account. So go ahead and click on the add account option at the top right. Just go ahead and click on this ad here. And once you've clicked on the ad, just go ahead and click on create new ad and then produce or type in an ad account name. So if you have an ad account name, you can just simply include that. But as you can see here, I'm going with something around business ads, which is quite simple. Make sure your time zone aligns with where you're from or where you're operating your account from, as well as your currency. So make sure you're using your local currency. If you do not have local currency, you could just go with the US dollar, as that option is provided alongside your local currency. So your local currency should be available for use. So go with your local currency and then click on next. Once you selected next, make sure the ad account is set to your business. So make sure you're managing for your business, or if you're managing for another business, you could indicate that option as well and simply click on next. So indicate and go ahead and click on next. And once you've clicked on next here, you're going to be asked to create, or it's going to be created underneath your business portfolio. Just simply agree and click on create ad account. And that's it, guys. That's how you can go about creating a business ad account. My account is restricted for now, but that's how you can go about this. So comment down below if you have a question concerning how you can go about any of this here. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and tune into the next video. Thank you.